Welcome to Extreme Reviewer. Featured products info.
Hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with two 9-foot-long hammock straps with 10 different connection points combined. These allow you to easily hang your hammock anywhere in just a minute or so. To set up your hammock, find two trees that are about 12 to 20 feet apart and wrap the strap around the first tree. Put the end with several loops through the end with just one loop that also has the logo on it. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to one of the loops on the strap. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can adjust to another loop. Adjust the straps higher or lower on the tree. Or, if your trees are a little too close together, you can also wrap the strap around the tree more than once. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. It's perfect for 2 people or 1 person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. Rain Tarp by Wise Owl Outfitters. This rain tarp is not your run-of-the-mill tarp. It's been specifically designed and constructed of the highest quality 210 T-ripstop waterproof nylon that has an impenetrable water barrier. This means that no water will get through it, and the seams are also leak-proof. The connection points have been designed with reinforced stitching, so it can take a great deal of force. Trust us, you will not get wet while under this tarp. Setting up this tarp is a breeze. All you have to do is tie each end around the trees on either side of your hammock. You'll want to secure the cord about a foot or so above your hammock straps. It can be difficult to tie cords like this tightly, but don't worry, because we've got you covered. We've included rope tighteners on each connection point, so by pulling the cord, you can tighten the line without having to tie another knot. Next, you want to secure your stakes in the ground. Just tie a quick knot in your rope and connect it to the hook on your stake. Grab the end of the stake and place them at an angle, with the pointed end facing towards your tarp. The more space you will have under the tarp. Once you have all your stakes in, tighten down each corner with the tighteners, just as you did with the ends by the trees. You could also use your hiking poles with one end of your tarp to create a sort of canopy so that you have more space under your tarp. Hanging your tarp will keep you dry and out of the sun so you can fully enjoy your hammock experience. When done, simply fold it up and put it back in your carry bag. Will keep you snug as a bug in your hammock, and you can rest easy knowing that those mosquitoes, no-see-ums, and other bugs will not be eating you alive while you're trying to relax. We designed this bug net to be spacious and comfortable, so you won't feel claustrophobic. Our mesh netting is thin enough so you can have a clear view of nature while not compromising on its strength and durability. We've included double-sided zippers so you can easily zip it open and closed from either side without any trouble. This bug net also comes with an attached carry bag and 30 feet of ridgeline cord, so you don't have to buy a separate cord. To set up your snug net, start with tying the ridgeline about a foot above your hammock straps. Next, move over to one end of your hammock, unclip the carabiner from your hammock strap, and put the end of your hammock through the center of the bug net and out the hole. Then, reattach your carabiner to your hammock strap. Tighten the clasp on the end around the rope, so no bugs will be able to get through. Next, slide the bug net over the hammock and make your way to the other side. Repeat as you did on the first side. Lastly, you're going to use the clips along the top of the bug net to secure the net to the ridgeline. You're now ready to get in your hammock and enjoy some bug-free relaxation. Companion. This lightweight microfiber towel is exactly what you need for your next travel adventure. These towels pack down small, so you can take them anywhere. They're ultra absorbent and can quickly dry you off after a shower or swim in the lake. We offer 2 size options and several colors. Our large size is 2 feet wide by 4 feet long and comes with a free 12-inch by 12-inch washcloth. The extra large is 2.5 feet wide by 5 feet long and comes with a free 12-inch by 24-inch hand towel. These towels are made with the highest quality microfiber blend. This particular fabric blend is specially combined to make these towels extremely soft and very absorbent. Convenient snap loop allows you to easily hang your towel to dry and have it quickly accessible. When you're done with your towel, simply fold it up and place it back in the breathable carry bag. Outfitters Compressible Foam Pillow, the perfect companion for camping or travel. It comes in 3 different sizes, so you can choose the perfect fit for you. Each size easily fits in its very own stuff sack, so you can keep it secure and take it with you anywhere. To use your pillow, simply remove it from the bag and allow it to fluff up. Throwing your pillow in the washing machine will allow it to fully expand, providing maximum support. Just follow the washing instructions on the tag inside the pillow. When you're done using your pillow, simply roll it up and put it back in its bag.
Nothing ruins a great day in the outdoors quicker than finding out your gear has gotten wet. Unlike other dry bags, these ones come in a set of 3 bags, so you can keep all of your belongings dry and secure, no matter size. Each set includes 3 floating, fold-closed bags in 5, 10, and 20 liter sizes. These dry bags are lightweight and strong. Made from a new and innovative, waterproof coated woven ripstop fabric, this high-tech material is watertight and ultra-durable, while at the same time being extremely lightweight. The whole set weighs next to nothing, so you'll forget you're even carrying these bags until you need them. Safely seal your gear away in seconds with a few rolls at the top of the bag and securing it all using the heavy-duty clip. Keep everything dry for camping, swimming, boating, kayaking, or just a lazy day at the beach. They can be used to protect your clothes, sleeping bag, pillow, blanket, food, or anything else that could cause trouble if you were to get wet. Whatever your plans, enjoy them with the peace of mind that your gear is safe from water, sand, snow, dust, and dirt. The Wise Owl Outfitters lightweight dry bag set is the essential accessory to complete your outdoor experience. Introducing our Sleepy Owl Wavy Sleeping Pad. This pad comes in at 25 inches wide by 75 inches long by 2¼ inch thick and weighs a mere 20 ounces. The Wavy Pad is a premium pad, offering additional comfort with more bounce and added stretch that molds more to your body. It's not only wider by a couple inches than most other pads, but it's longer as well. To help save your energy, we included an inflator bag, so you don't have to waste your breath to blow it up. To set up your pad, simply remove it from its carrying bag, unfold it, and lay it out flat. Grab the inflator bag and hold the bag open with both hands. Perform a sweeping motion using your arms to fill the bag with air. Once the inflator bag is filled with air, quickly trap in the air by closing off the opening and fold the bag over 3 to 4 times, then snap it shut with the buckle. Now, insert the inflator bag's air valve into the sleeping pad's one-way air valve and inflate the pad by pressing down on the inflator bag using your hands to push the air from the bag to the pad. Repeat this process a couple times and your mat will be full of air. Once the pad is filled to your desired firmness, close the cap on the valve and you're done. You will also notice the pad comes with non-slip grip treads, which are fused onto the pad at key spots. This non-slip tread helps to keep your sleeping bag secure to the pad, so you won't slip off the pad and wake up on the hard ground. To deflate the pad, just pull out the plug and squeeze most of the air out. Fold the pad in thirds from the foot end of the pad, roll it up and put it back in the carry.
Is the perfect hammock for your little ones. We use the same high-quality materials as our regular hammocks, but design these to be the perfect size for your kids, your dog, or your gear. It measures 7 feet long by 3.5 feet wide, and is ideal for kids up to about 4.5 feet tall. You can also use it to hang under your regular hammock to hold all your gear and keep it off the ground. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. To set up your hammock, Find 2 trees, approximately 8 to 9 feet apart. You're going to wrap the rope around the first tree. Put one end through the loop on the other end of the rope. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to the end of the rope. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can wrap the rope around the tree more than once. Or you can tie another knot in the rope to allow for another connection point. Last option is you can adjust the ropes higher or lower on the tree for an adjustment as well. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 12 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. If you want more flexibility to be able to use trees that are farther away, or if you don't want to tie any knots, then you can purchase our Wise Owl Talon hammock straps. They're 20 feet long combined and allow for many adjustments.
If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified with our new videos. Think of buying these products? Why wait? Click on the link given in the description below and get delivered to your home soon.